Welcome, healthy food enthusiasts. Join us on our culinary exploration as we unveil a treasury of 10 mouth-watering vegan keto recipes tailored for home cooks like you. Get your aprons on and let's get cooking. Before we dive deeper into this topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more research results related to productivity, health, and well-being. Let's start with vegan keto cauliflower pizza. You'll need 1 medium head of cauliflower, riced, then a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. For the toppings, prepare some tomato sauce, vegan cheese, and sliced veggies like peppers, mushrooms, and olives. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare the crust. In a bowl, mix the cauliflower rice, flaxseed, nutritional yeast, olive oil, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper until well combined. Once mixed, spread the mixture on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to form your pizza crust. Bake the crust for 20 to 25 minutes until it turns golden brown. After the crust is ready, add your toppings. Spread tomato sauce over the crust, sprinkle with vegan cheese, and arrange your sliced veggies on top. Bake the pizza for another 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the veggies are cooked to your liking. Finally, slice and enjoy your homemade vegan keto cauliflower pizza. It's a perfect, guilt-free treat that's both delicious and nutritious. Enjoy! Now let's look into vegan keto avocado soup. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 ripe avocados, 2 cups of vegetable broth, half a cup of full-fat coconut milk, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and salt and pepper to taste. If you like, you can also add some cilantro and red pepper flakes for garnish. First, in a blender, combine the avocados, vegetable broth, coconut milk, garlic, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Blend everything until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, pour the blended soup into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat until it's warmed through. Finally, serve the soup in bowls. If you want to add a little extra flavor and color, garnish with cilantro and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. There you have it. A rich, vegan keto avocado soup that's both healthy and satisfying. Enjoy! Now, we quickly jump into dish number 3, which is vegan keto cauliflower tabbouleh. For this one you'll need 1 medium head of cauliflower, riced, 1 cup of chopped fresh parsley, half a cup of chopped fresh mint, half a cup of diced cucumber, half a cup of diced tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Here's how to prepare it. First, rice the cauliflower using a food processor. Next, in a large bowl, combine the cauliflower rice, parsley, mint, cucumber, and tomatoes. Then, dress the salad by adding the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss everything to combine well. Finally, chill the tabbouleh in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this refreshing and healthy vegan keto cauliflower tabbouleh. Are you still there? Not slowing down here. The next stop is vegan keto eggplant lasagna. You'll need these ingredients: 2 large eggplants sliced lengthwise, 1 cup of low-carb, vegan marinara sauce, 1 cup of vegan ricotta cheese, 1 cup of vegan mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare the eggplant by brushing the slices with olive oil and seasoning with salt and pepper. Grill or roast them until they are tender. Then, layer the lasagna in a baking dish. Start with a layer of eggplant slices, followed by marinara sauce, vegan ricotta, and mozzarella. Repeat the layers until all ingredients are used. Now, bake the lasagna for 25 to 30 minutes until it is bubbly and golden. Finally, let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your vegan keto eggplant lasagna. And now we land at recipe number 5, which is vegan keto spinach and artichoke dip. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 cup of cooked, drained, and chopped spinach, 1 cup of drained and chopped canned artichoke hearts, half a cup of vegan cream cheese, half a cup of vegan mayonnaise, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, 1 minced garlic clove, and salt and pepper to taste. Here's how to make it. First, mix all the ingredients together in a bowl: the spinach, artichokes, vegan cream cheese, mayonnaise, nutritional yeast, garlic, salt, and pepper. Next, transfer the mixture to a baking dish and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. Finally, serve the dip warm with keto-friendly crackers or veggies. Enjoy your delicious vegan keto spinach and artichoke dip. Here is another one you can try: vegan keto broccoli salad. For this one, you'll need 2 cups of broccoli florets, half a cup of sliced almonds, a quarter cup of diced red onion, a quarter cup of unsweetened dried cranberries, half a cup of vegan mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. First, blanch the broccoli florets in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain and cool them. In a large bowl, combine the broccoli, almonds, red onion, and cranberries. In a small bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Chill before serving. Enjoy your fresh and tasty vegan keto broccoli salad. Don't go anywhere. Here is next delicious recipe we have for you: a vegan keto cabbage stir-fry. For this recipe, you'll need 1 small head of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of sliced bell peppers, half a cup of sliced mushrooms, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Optional garnishes include sesame seeds and green onions. First, in a large skillet, heat the olive oil and sesame oil over medium heat. Add the garlic, bell peppers, and mushrooms, and cook until they are tender. Next, stir in the shredded cabbage and cook until it wilts. Season with coconut aminos, salt, and pepper, then toss to combine. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onions if desired. Enjoy your flavorful vegan keto cabbage stir-fry. Here is next one: vegan keto stuffed mushrooms. You will need 12 large mushrooms with stems removed, half a cup of vegan cream cheese, a quarter cup of chopped spinach, a quarter cup of chopped walnuts, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the vegan cream cheese, spinach, walnuts, garlic, salt, and pepper. Stuff each mushroom cap with this filling mixture. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes until tender. Serve warm and enjoy your delicious vegan keto stuffed mushrooms. By the way, here is yet another one: vegan keto lettuce wraps. You will need 8 large lettuce leaves, 1 cup of sliced tofu or tempeh, 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, 1/2 cup of sliced bell peppers, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 minced garlic clove. First, prepare the sauce by whisking together peanut butter, coconut aminos, lime juice, sesame oil, and garlic in a small bowl. Next, in a skillet, cook the tofu or tempeh until golden brown. Then toss with the prepared sauce. Now assemble your wraps by placing the tofu, carrots, bell peppers, green onions, and cilantro on each lettuce leaf. Roll up the lettuce leaves, and you're ready to enjoy your fresh and crunchy vegan keto lettuce wraps. And the last one, vegan keto berry smoothie. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1/4 of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and optionally, a low-carb sweetener to taste. First, in a blender, combine the almond milk, coconut milk, frozen berries, avocado, chia seeds, hemp seeds, vanilla extract, and sweetener if desired. Blend until smooth and creamy. Then pour your delicious concoction into a glass and enjoy your creamy and refreshing vegan keto berry smoothie. And that's all for today's video. As always, all mentioned recipes are in the description or comments below. Watch another interesting video we have prepared for you. The link should be visible on the screen. And for more healthy insights like this one, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy.